everyone, welcome back to craft class. Today we are going to learn from waste t-shirt to best work we are going to learn. Let's start doing it. This is old t-shirt. We are going to make with the t-shirt a bag. For making a bag, we need this t-shirt, scale, scissors and pencil. Let's start doing it. First, we are going to cut the sleeves, both the sleeves and a neck also. Let's start cutting this. Now we are going to cut neck round. Like this. We'll remove this and down this part we have a fold. We'll take a measurement and we'll cut into, fold it like this and we'll cut it into equal. Like this we are going to cut. Like this I have cut. Yes. Then we'll take a scale. We'll draw a line around 2 inches length. We'll mark it 2 to 3 inches length. We'll mark like this and we'll draw a line, straight line, and we'll take 1 inch and we'll draw a line like this till the end. I have drawn till end. Now I am going to slit these lines. Cut these lines like this till the end. I'm cutting the slits like this and edge turning. We are going to slit like this and we'll keep all together, and I'll remove this each and every slit. I'm going to do the knot. Up one and down one like this. Same way till the end we are going to keep a knot like this. Here I have completed the down part. Here children, it has completed full. See how nice it has come. You can keep whatever you like inside and you can carry like this. And now if you are having one side print and next other side, you can do a design also. Here I am having waste cloth like this. I'll do flower cutting to paste on it. I've taken this square shape. Yes, and I'll fold like this. One more fold like this. Then I'll mark a curve shape and I'll cut like this. Here I have taken a flower. Yes. And from this sleeves I have taken a circle. Sleeves I have taken. From this I'll mark a circle and I'll cut circle shape. Here I have taken a circles and flowers also like this. Now I'll decorate the t-shirt like this. If you want, you can stitch or you can paste with glue. Like this. Yes, and I'll paste a circle what I've cut in the middle. If you want, you can stitch with the needle also. Yeah, children, see how beautiful. If you want, you can decorate in different pattern, different design. This bag, see how beautiful it is. If you want, you can stick full flowers also, but I have taken few flowers. And if you want, you can stick different pattern designs also. You can decorate your bag whatever design you can. Yeah, children, we have completed the bag. Is it nice? Instead of throwing the t-shirt, you can take a t-shirt and make like this in different pattern, different designs. I think you will do it. Thank you, children. Bye.